In this video, I wanted to take a look at the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro, a pair of true wireless buds with active noise cancelling, and they cost about $130. Let's take a look. The earphones come in this premium packaging, and inside of it you get some paperwork, USB Type-C cable for charging, and a huge collection of ear tips so you can find the right size for your ears. Liberty Air 2 Pros come in a variety of different colors. The ones that I have are Onyx Black and Sapphire Blue. As you may guess, my favorite is definitely the blue one, and I'll show this color option for the most part of this video. This compact charging case has a nice soft plastic finish, and one of the standout features of it, you can open it up and close it in just one hand. Really convenient in practice. You can get 7 hours of playback from a single charge on the earbuds and up to 3 recharges from the charging case, which equals 26 hours in total. Not the best in the industry, yet still a very good result. Charge it just for 15 minutes via the USB Type-C port and you'll get 3 hours of listening time. The case also supports wireless charging, but naturally charging speeds are slower. The full charge takes about 2 hours using the USB Type-C cable. When it comes to the design of the earbuds, I don't usually care about the overall aesthetics, as most important aspect to me is comfort. I have to tell you that Anker nailed both. The buds look nice and they sit comfortably in my ears even while exercising, which is the best way to test out any buds in my opinion. The earphones feel nice and snug with the ear tips it came with, but you should always check different sizes of tips to make sure that you have a good seal. I also found the buds to be well built, and they use matte plastic which does not attract any fingerprints. Now let's talk about features. Probably the key selling point of Liberty Air 2 Pros is the so-called targeted active noise cancelling. If you download the Soundcore app, which is available on both Android and iOS, you'll be able to choose from transport, indoor and outdoor noise cancelling modes, or customize it the way you want. Since I spend most of my time indoors, the indoor mode works best for me. You can also switch to transparency mode to hear what's around you, or turn all the features off and use Liberty Air 2 Pros as a regular pair of buds. Noise cancelling may not be on par with Apple's AirPods Pro, but it is still very good. I can say that I can enjoy listening to my favorite tunes without hearing much of my surroundings. In fact, I found noise cancelling to be better than on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, which is quite impressive considering the price difference. Keep in mind that you need to choose the right ear tips for the best sound and noise cancelling quality. There is a tip fit test in the app which checks if your earphones have a good seal. The buds also support touch controls that I found it to be very intuitive and easy to use. You can also customize them in a variety of ways. For instance, I simply need to be able to skip tracks back and forth, and most importantly, control the volume, the feature that some of the earphones still lack. For instance, AirPods Pro lack this feature, which is simply ridiculous. The sound quality is really impressive and you can customize it in a variety of ways. For example, Hear ID analyzes your hearing ability and tailors the sound accordingly. This feature helps map your unique listening profile and generate tailor-made EQ settings. Having this feature is great, but I actually prefer the default Soundcore signature sound. It's just a sweet spot for me between different frequencies. If you don't like it, you can always tweak the sound using a built-in equalizer or choose from 22 pre-programmed settings according to your liking. Once you start listening to music, the first thoughts that come to your mind, how clean and crystal clear the music is, and the vocals are separated very clearly. I don't have a huge audiophile vocabulary to describe the sound quality, but I might even say that the sound is even better than on the AirPods Pro, which costs almost twice as much. The sound is simply more pronounced, it is crispier, it has more character to it, and to my ears, I can hear a better separation between mids, highs, and lows. Again, I'm not an audiophile, but I can say that these buds provide really impressive overall sound quality. I found call quality to be really good thanks to 6 built-in noise-cancelling microphones with noise reduction. Also, I found Bluetooth 5 connectivity to be reliable, and I had no issues with range in my apartment. Finally, IPX4 water resistance rating assures that you can use the buds for your workouts with a peace of mind, but you can't submerge them underwater. Overall, the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro exceeded my expectations by a large margin. While noise cancelling is pretty good, I'm mostly impressed with the sound quality and the ability to customize it in a variety of different ways using the Soundcore app. I also found the buds to be comfortable to wear, the charging case opens up and closes quickly and easily, and the battery life is great. Honestly, I can't name a single shortcoming yet even after using these earbuds for more than 1 month. Therefore, I can say that if you're looking for a pair of true wireless earphones with excellent sound and good noise cancelling, Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro is a pretty easy recommendation. What do you think about the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro? Would you buy these buds or would you go with another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on social media, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.